Chapter 5. Sound of Vowel O. Look at the pictures and read these words aloud. MOP mop, LOG log, COT cot, BOX box, BOY boy, POD pod, BONE bone, FROG frog. Here are some more words. Read them aloud. DOT dot, NOT not, LOT lot, HOT hot, GOT got, POT pot. COP cop, MOP mop, HOP hop, POP cop, TOP top, LOP lop. FOG fog, HOG hog, DOG dog, JOG jug, LOG log, BOG bog. GOLD gold, HOLD hold, SOLD sold, COLD cold, BOLD bold, TOLD told. HOCK hawk, LOCK lock, MOCK mock, DOCK dock, ROCK rock, SOCK sock.